Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am going to be testing this Essence. Wow, what a brow pen, waterproof brow pencil. So this is in the shade dark brown. I don't even know if that's my shade in Essence, but we're going to see. And it is supposed to be waterproof, so perfect for the summer, perfect if you're going to the beach or the pool and you want to have a waterproof. It's perfect if you want to have a waterproof brow product on that you don't want it to budge. So we're gonna test if this budges. I'm going to apply it and I'm going to splash water on my face and see if any of the product comes off. So I do already have brow product on, so I have to remove that, unfortunately. Look at the difference. Oh my goodness. I hate doing this. So I'm going to use this spoolie on this side and just brush it up. And I definitely need to trim my brows. But I'm now going to use the pencil side and see if this is my color. I really hope it is. If not, I'll make it work. Starting from the front, just going to fill it in and then shape it to my liking. Yeah, this is my color. Thank God. I do like to do a little bit of a square shape and then I like to blend it so it doesn't look crazy and harsh lines. So I'm going to take this side and then I'm going to just blend that out in the front and the end of it. I could already see the color just moving. I have to reapply now. It definitely feels kind of chalky, I guess. But I guess the main question is it waterproof? We'll see. So I'm going to just blend that out once again. And now onto the other side. The hardest part is matching. Okay, so I applied the product and now is for the main part. Let's see if it stays. So I have the brow product on. Now let's see if it stays when I dunk my face, my whole entire face into this bowl. So. I can't see. Is it still on? Should I just dump my face in there again?
There you go.
I can't see!
Left. That's your right.
Oh, right.
Yep, keep going. You'll touch it. There you go.
I'm gonna change my shirt. See what you guys made me do? That's what you get.
I got oil now.
Okay, good.